How's it going, everyone? This is Mark with AdTech. In this video, we'll be checking out a wall mount for your Echo Dot 3rd generation. This 2-pack is only $15 and allows you to very easily mount your Echo Dots on the wall without any screws or additional hardware, no cable mess, and it's the perfect setup and solution for countertop mounting. So for $15, you get 2 plastic Echo Dot mounts. They are for the 3rd generation only, but that is nice because they support the bigger and heavier build of the 3rd generation. The actual units themselves are plastic. They are nothing special and they seem somewhat cheap, but I was surprised by seeing how they worked. I didn't really notice any issues with the build or material. In fact, the white of the plastic matched very well with the white of the Echo Dot. They do also have a black one in case you have a black Echo Dot. Unfortunately, they don't have a mix. There's no one black and one white. You can only get all black or all white. I would have liked to have seen a combination of the two because I do have a black one and a white one. It would have been nice to have one of each. The instructions in the box are very good. They tell you exactly how to install this and set it up, and it is actually really easy. All you do is snap in the Echo Dot on the front, plug in your power cable on the back, and the cable management routing on the back is amazing. You run the cable along the back of the unit through the groove, and then you can go around through the hooks. It makes everything look so nice, and the cable is perfectly wound up. Then the slot is just the right size for the power brick, and more cable routing and channels allow you to mount it flush on the wall. Because of the way this is made, the prongs are at the very top of the unit, which means that you can mount it on the outlet and not block or obstruct any other outlet. So you can still plug in something else. Because this is heavier, I wouldn't recommend mounting it upside down like this, but you could do it if you want to. There's nothing preventing you from doing that, but doing it this way and having it hanging down looks very nice as well. The Echo Dot doesn't actually clip in, but it is held in place by these 2 bars on the side. They just put a little bit of pressure on it so you can't actually pull it out very easily. It doesn't clip into place at all, but it does keep it snug for the most part. It is still loose enough that you can rotate it if you want to. And the opening for the power plug is just big enough that you can put in a 3.5mm audio cable if you want to route this to a speaker as well. It's also a nice touch that the power brick that says Amazon on it is open, so you can see that. It looks very nice. And with audio, it was not affected at all. Just because it is clipped on the side doesn't affect the audio performance at all. It still sounds great and no issues with that either. My only complaint is that on the back of the unit, sometimes I haven't been able to get it to wind up perfectly so that the power brick cable is up this way. It's either too long or too short, and it's usually sticking off right here. It doesn't have any issues mounting to the wall at all, so that's fine, but I like how perfectly wound it looks and then just this one piece of the cable which is not. It's a little annoying, but it doesn't cause any issues with mounting. In fact, this is probably one of the better solutions I found for mounting your Echo Dot on the wall. It doesn't require any screws or anything, and it hides all the cables. It's one solid unit that you just throw into an outlet, and it looks very good. So there you go, that is our review on the Echo Dot wall mount. It's a really great product and I highly recommend it. Links will be down in the description if you want to check that out. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave this video a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with AdTech, and I'll see you in the next one.